Hey, Sorors Hey, how y'all doing? Can you believe it? Our April Delta box is here, and baby, it is a doozy. So if you want to see the April Delta box, then stay tuned, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hey, Sorors Hey. Welcome back. It is April and it's time for another Delta Box review. My name is Joy and I'm a member of the El Paso Alumni chapter, and I love the Delta Box. So I'm excited about this month's Delta Box to reveal it to you all and give you my thoughts and opinions on that. Thank you for coming to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And let's get into this review now, shall we? Of course, we have our reversible Delta box. And you get your return label. This month's theme is Oh, the Places You'll Go. And in this month's box, we have a Delta Sigma Theta Garment Bag, a Crimson Laundry Bag, a large organizer bag, a small organizer bag, a Delta Sigma Theta passport cover, and a luggage tag. So, Sorors, we are ready for Indianapolis, okay? The Delta Box done hooked us up with everything we need to arrive at Nationals in style. So let's take a look at these items now, shall we? First, we have the luggage tag. It's red leather with symbols. And then, of course, it has your standard information tag for your name, address, telephone number, and email. But Sorors, don't put all your information on this little tag right here. Put your name and either your cell phone number or your email. Don't put all your information on there. That's what they tell us at my job. And next, we have the matching passport cover. And again, it has the symbols. On the inside, has mid. It has a 3-card holder and, of course, slots for your passport. I am loving this, and I can't wait till I get my red passport. Because when it gets here from the job, it's going right in here. Perfect. I was like, what am I going to put my passport in? But yeah, this is going to be perfect. And if you're wondering what a red passport is, it's like an official passport that you get when you work for the government. So yeah, I'm excited. And it's like when you're at TSA. So when I go through customs, I ain't got to stand there and do all that other stuff that everybody else got to do. So I'm loving that. And now I'm really be there in style. Next item in the box is the small organizer. So you can put this inside your suitcase. It has a mesh top. It's fairly deep. And it has, on the zipper pulls, they have the crest. So this is a nice little organizer. So go inside your suitcase. You could put toiletries in here or makeup, or it has a nice little handle on it. So that's very nice. The next item is the large organizer, and it looks similar in style to the small. It has the mesh top. It has a handle. It has the same zipper pulls with the crest on there. And it's fairly deep too on the inside. So with this one, you can put it in your suitcase and put like your delicates in there, things like that. help organize your suitcase. I think those are just great. Next we have the garment bag. And so it has the symbols on it. It snaps. Symbols, same zipper pulls with the crest. And this is fairly deep. Dimensions. So you know you can put your delicates in there. And same with the zipper pull has the crest on it. You put your delicates in here and things of that nature. And the last item, of course, is the garment bag. So the garment bag comes with 2 handles. It also zips shut. Well, yeah, it does zip shut, but it has 2 snaps on either side. So once you put your garments in there, your dresses or your blazer or cardigan or something like that, it snaps shut. This is the size. Again, it has the symbols. So when you open it up, it has 2 pockets. Same zipper pulls with the crest on it. The inside is white. It does have a little hook on the inside, so if you want to hang it up, like in the closet when you get to the hotel, you can do that. And so this is a large garment bag, standard size. You put a couple of dresses in here, or a cardigan and blazer, or whatever. And again, it does snap. So overall, I'm loving this Delta box this month. We got our 5 items. Okay. Come on through there, Delta. Y'all did it this time. I'm like really, really pleased with this box. I just feel bad for all the Sorors who canceled their subscriptions. Because they're a little mad right now. But that's why you shouldn't cancel your subscription to the Delta box. I know it be hit and miss sometimes. Let's just keep it real. It be hit and miss sometimes. But every time you get ready to cancel that subscription, you ought to stop and say, it's going to get better. Something good is coming. And Delta box came correct this time. So, yeah, Soros, that's my review for the April 2023 Delta box. Oh, the places you'll go. We got a matching passport cover and luggage tags. We got a garment bag, a laundry bag, and 2 organizer bags. So yeah, I think we are good to go for Indianapolis or anywhere else we're traveling to this summer. So once again, my name is Sarah Joy Jacobs. I'm from the El Paso Alumni chapter. And if you like this video, please hit that subscribe button and support your Sarah and subscribe to the channel. I have a wide variety of content. I do makeup reviews. I do unboxings for BoxyCharm and Ipsy, which are beauty box subscription services. I also do product reviews for different brands that I am an ambassador for, so look forward to those videos. I also do inspirational content. If you need a little encouragement every now and then, or you need something to help you get through on this journey in life with Christ, then check out my playlist called Joyful Jubilations. Those are my inspirational videos. And again, Sorors, I appreciate your support. Thank you for watching my video. Y'all excuse my layout right here right now. I'm waiting for my new camera to get here, and so I could do my new setup. But for right now, this is it. So, just excuse the quality on the video. I'm gonna get back to the normal high quality video as soon as my new camera gets here. It should be here Sunday. But again, Sorors, thank you for your support, for watching my Delta Box videos so far. I'm really trying to grow my channel. And I knew with the support of my Sorors, my channel would really, really grow. And it has grown. So if you want to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram at JoyJoy2TheWorld. TikTok is Triumphant DST10. And Facebook, you just look me up, Shrine Joy Jacobs. Again, thank you for support. Thank you for watching my video. And I'll see y'all in May. Bye, Sorors. Ooh.